After we've designed our quilt and decided which stencil we want to use, we want to choose which color thread to use for the stencils. Let's open our pre-designed quilt. Click on the Quilt Gallery button, open the My Quilts section, click on Lesson Quilts, then a thread color. Right now, our stencils use a black thread, which isn't necessarily what we want to use in our final quilt. Let's select the stencil layer, click on Options, and then click on Pen Settings. Make sure that the Change All option is selected. Let's select the dashed line option and then choose a color. Click Apply. It really gives the line the look of thread. Now, let's try yellow. This time, we'll try blue. And it looks really nice.